Rice is one of those kitchen staple ingredients. A lot of people have trouble cooking it. Sometimes it's too gluggy, sometimes it's not cooked enough. So I'm going to show you how to cook the perfect rice. There are two basic methods to cooking rice, the absorption method and boiling. I'm going to show you how to do the absorption method. I'm going to start with 1 cup of rice, and I'm just putting it into a strainer and going to wash it under some cold water. This will release all the starch and make the rice nice and fluffy. The rice has been washed and we're going to add that to a medium saucepan, and we're adding in 1.5 cups of cold water. Over a medium heat, we're going to bring it to the boil with a tight fitting lid. You want a tight fitting lid so that the rice can steam and become light and fluffy. Once the rice has come to the boil, turn the temperature down to a low heat and cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once the liquid's absorbed, turn the heat off and stand the rice for 5 minutes. Make sure the lid's still firmly on because you want the steam to cook the rice. Once 5 minutes is up, voila! Use a fork to fluff the rice and it's ready to serve. The absorption method is great for rice to go with curries, or you could use it in some fried rice.